Things you can say. Hello, my name is Guy. Hi, I'm Guy. Nice to meet you. I'm very well, thank you. And you? How's work at the moment? Do you live in? It's a great place. It's a beautiful city. You should visit sometime. Do you have any children? Do you enjoy your job? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How about you? What about you? Things you might hear. What's your name? Where are you from? Hi there, how's it going? How are you? Nice to meet you too. How are things? Where are you from? What do you do? Where do you live? Are you married? Bye for now. See you later. It's, it was lovely to see you. I hope you have a safe journey. Thank you.